Welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to prepare chicken Alfredo. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell. The ingredients for this chicken Alfredo will be down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and check it out.
Jave Beats exclusive.
Now here's your ingredients. So you need to make that chicken Alfredo. I'm using half teaspoon of salt. I'm also going to use some pasta. I'm using 1 teaspoon of onion seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm going to need some double cream, also some dried thyme. I'm also using some mozzarella shredded cheese. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of chicken season, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. You're going to need some chopped garlic. You're also going to need some dried parsley. And you're also going to need some chopped onion. I'm also using 8 pieces of chicken breast, what I have already cleaned up and washed with my vinegar. Now I'm going to start off by slice chicken breasts in 2. These guys. You want to cut them in cubes, in small bits. Guys, so you want to do them, cut them just like that, guys. See when I'm finished cutting my chicken breasts. Now guys, I'm finished cutting up my chicken breasts. That's how you want to cut them, as I was saying before, in small cubes. These guys. So it's more easier to mix up in your pasta when you're mixing it around. Small cubes, guys, just like that. Now I'm going to start out by seasoning up my chicken breasts and put this cutting board away. Guys. Start out with my chicken seasoning, black pepper, all-purpose, also some dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. It's a rub now. Mix up all my seasoning on my chicken breast. Rub in your seasoning on your chicken breast properly, guys. Make sure they're properly seasoning. Just season up your chicken breasts. Now guys, my chicken breast is finished seasoning. I'm just gonna cover this up and leave it to marinate. Gonna put this one side now, guys. Leave it to marinate for about half an hour before I start to fry it up. This guy is my frying pot. Now guys, in the meanwhile my chicken breast is marinating. This is my pot where I'm gonna boil my pasta in. I got about 4.5 cups of water in it. I'm gonna leave it to come up to a boil before I add my pasta inside of it. Guys, now you're gonna add your salt inside of it, and leave it to boil, come to a boil, guys, before I add my pasta in. Now my water is come to a boil, as you can see. And I'm just gonna add my pasta in. I'm just using half of the package. Now I'm gonna leave that to boil, as what the package say, for 9 minutes. See back when my pasta is finished boiling. Now guys, in the meanwhile my pasta is boiling, I'm just gonna fry up my chicken breasts because they're finished marinated now. I'm just gonna start to fry them up. I'm just going to preheat my pot for about 3 to 4 minutes. I'm just going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil into it. Guys, when you're frying up your chicken, make sure your fire is on medium heat. Yes, guys. Leave it to preheat now. See about when my pot is finished preheating. Now my oil on my pot is preheated. And I'm going to start to add my chicken breast in. Guys, you want to fry your chicken breast for about 10 minutes. 5 minutes on each side. Yes, guys. Guys, see back when my chicken breasts are all finished frying. I will show you guys. And after that 5 minutes, guys, now it's time to turn them over. You can see. Turn them over. Got that right. So you want to turn them. You can see they're looking golden brown. Looking at color. Yes, guys. Now my pasta is finished. I'm going to turn this off. Pasta is all finished now, guys. I'm just going to fry up my chicken breast and then ready. See you back when my chicken breasts are finished frying. Now there you have it, guys. My chicken breasts are finished frying. So you want to fry them. Take out the excess oil. Okay. So that's 10 minutes. I'm going to add some more chicken breast in. We want to do the same process. Leave them for 10 minutes to fry. 5 minutes on each side. Guys, here we now since my chicken breasts are finished frying. And guys, after that 5 minutes again, it's time to turn them. I'm telling you, these fried chicken breasts smelling so delicious, guys. It's so amazing. So if you guys are in the kitchen, you need to smell this lovely chicken breast, guys. Now we're going to turn them again on the next side and fry them up for the next 5 minutes. There you have it. You and my chicken breasts are finished frying. There you have it, guys. Chicken breasts are finished, ready to come out. So you want to fry your chicken breast, guys. 5 minutes on each side in your frying pot. Just like that. Now there you have it, guys. That's how you want your chicken breast to look, golden brown when you finish frying them up after that 10 minutes. 5 minutes on each side. So you want them to look golden brown and pretty, guys. They're smelling so lovely. And looking so and tasting so delicious, guys, I'm telling you. Now guys, after finish frying up your breasts, your chicken breasts, now I'm going to go in with my onions in the same pot that I fried my chicken breast in. Guys, make sure your fire is on low for this one. Now also my chopped garlic. So I'm going to leave those to saute for about a minute or two. And you know while they are sauteing, just kind of stir them around in the pot. Season smelling so nice. Oh. Your double cream. I'm using 2. So let's stir that around now. Yes, guys, just like that. Now guys, I'm just gonna season it lightly with some all-purpose. Guys, about half teaspoon of all-purpose, half teaspoon of onion powder, also half teaspoon of garlic powder, a bit of thyme, stir. Just want to stir up your seasoning that you just throw in there into your double cream. Just mix it around, guys, mix it properly. Guys. Now you're gonna go in a bit of half teaspoon of black pepper. And just give that a stir again. Mix in that black pepper into your cream properly. Going a bit of paprika, half teaspoon of paprika, mix that in now. Smelling so nice, guys. The chicken and the pasta is not added yet. Wow. Smelling so lovely. Just mix that in properly, guys. Make sure you're getting all of the seasoning that you just throw into your double cream. Okay guys, after stirring it around for 2 minutes, just guys, just stir it around your seasoning, your powder seasoning that you put in your double cream. Just guys, now you're gonna add your cheese to it. Guys, if you got Parmesan cheese, you can use it, but I'm using some Mozzarella. Just guys, but I have this cheese before when I make my holy beef lasagna. I'm just using up this cheese, guys. Using about half cup of mozzarella cheese, and then I'm going to use half cup of my extra cheese. Just guys. Just like that, guys. I'm just going to stir this around. Guys, remember, make sure your fire is on low heat, guys. Do it. This guys, my sauce is looking lovely. See guys, just now I'm gonna add my pasta in. Just like that. Mix around, just mix it around now. So that guys, just mix it around into your sauce. Now I'm gonna add the rest in. Just like that. Just gonna mix up around here, guys. So guys, now I'm gonna add my chicken breast in bit by bit. Just like that. Just gonna mix that in now. In the rest now. I'm just gonna give that a stir now, guys. Let's stir that around. Wow. It's so lovely, guys. It's smelling so amazing. Just taste that sauce, and I'm telling you, pasta and that sauce tasting so nice. Yes, guys, there you have it. Yes guys, that's how you want to make your chicken Alfredo pasta. Yes guys, there you have it. Smelling so lovely and tasting so delicious. But guys, last but not the least, I'm gonna sprinkle some dry parsley over it, guys. Just like that, guys. There you have it, guys. That's how you want to prepare your chicken Alfredo. Thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Guys, tell me what you think about this chicken Alfredo when you try it at home. The ingredients will be down in the description box, guys, so you can just go there and check it out. And hit me up in the comment section, guys. Tell me what you think. Until next time, thanks for watching.